Hey guys, Katie here, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple makeup look for monolids. First off, I'll be using the Secret Concealer No. 2 by Laura Mercier.
Grooves on the track.
Using a cushion and blending out the concealer. For foundation, I'll be using the Hera UV Mist Cushion, No. 23. Next, for my eyes, I'll be using the Etude House Play Color Eyes called Wine Party. I'm taking a sponge brush and using a darker shade, I'm applying that onto my lids and under eyes. Next is a velvet cream shadow that I made. I like to blend out the colors using my fingers because I think it's a better way to control the makeup. Next is a shimmery shadow. Next, for my eyebrows, I'll be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. For blush, I'll be using Foolish Me by MAC. For highlight, I'll be using Fenty Beauty, and this is Hustla Baby. I forgot where I got my false eyelashes from, but as for the glue, I'll be using Dolly Wink. To complete my look, I'll be using the lip tint by Peri Para in shade No. 8.